How to delete ShopeePay transaction history. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to delete your transaction history in Shopee. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing I need to do is search up for Shopee right here, open it up, and then you'll be redirected here in the homepage of Shopee. And then once you're done opening up Shopee, what you want to do is go to Me right here, and then just scroll down until you see Chat with Shopee. So just click on that, and then from here, what you want to type out is just Chat with Live Agent. And then it says right here, looks like you need more help on this. Would you like to chat with a live agent? So just click on Chat with an Agent, and then from here, choose which issue do you want help with. So for example, I will choose product listing and legal and others. And then once you choose the issue that you need help with, just wait for a Shopee agent to chat with you. And then from there, what you want to do is just state out or say that you want to remove the transaction history in your account, and then just wait for them to finish or to fix your issue. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to delete your transaction history in ShopeePay.